Hi, this is Debbie Gilbert, and I wanted to talk to you about some services available to students. We support students in 1,000,001 ways, and one of those ways is by connecting them to resources on campus to help their success. So I'm starting here at the mjc.edu webpage. I typed in student services. I'm going to go right to the student services webpage and talk about a few of them. Of course, we recommend students to go over to counseling every single day. The main reason I think we usually do is for academic counseling. We have a liaison over there whose name is Margaret Kingori. She's the English Department liaison, Kingori. She's wonderful, and you can call her directly if you have any questions. But students can make an appointment with anyone to get an ed plan, for example, which will give them priority reg, which is really valuable for students to, get into class and stay off wait lists. But counseling doesn't just have academic counseling. They also have other kinds of counseling. So if you have a student who's grieving or experiencing any kind of mental illness or episode, you can send them over there. You can call someone over there and have your student called by a counselor, or you can walk them over. And I think we've all done one or all of the above. Not everyone over there is qualified to do mental health counseling, but some are, and your student will find someone who can help them. There are also a bunch of programs here listed in the student services website, such as EOP&S right here, TRIO right here. EOP&S is for students who qualify income-wise. They have a really good program called the Bridge Program for emancipated foster youth and other kinds of students who they get signed up for a block of courses, and it's really effective. TRIO is for first-generation low-income college students. We now have an Umoja community, which really supports students and makes them part of a community. Finally, I want to mention and go to the Disability Services website, because that's probably the office I send students to the most frequently. They offer all kinds of accommodations for students with documented disabilities. They also have testing to document a disability and to identify the services that would most benefit a student. Services that my students use the most are, well, the number one is testing. Students can get a quiet place to sit down and test. They can get extra time. They can get a computer to use if that is an accommodation that they are qualified for. But there are all other kinds of accommodations as well that your students will find out about.